is a disaster.
My life is ruined. I just came up with the perfect couple's costume for New Queer's Eve, and I can't use it because of stupid Paul. You know what?
The reason I'm not with my family right now is because I didn't want any drama, and that's all I'm getting. First from these jagwagons, and now you.
Paul is the reason you're upset. It's not about this party. It's about the party. I want to eat shrimp off an old gay dressed as Baby New Year.
Ugh. Hi, Colleen. Are you all right?
Just thinking about my next move.
No. What next move?
This thing hasn't even started. Welcome to my Christmas attack zone.
Ladies of the Battered Women's Shelter, please be quiet. A man is talking. You're about to watch a film that holds a mirror up to your own terrible lives. You're gonna see poverty, drug abuse, and a bunch of babies having a hammer fight in a dumpster.
Comedy is just as important. Laughter is the best medicine.
Damn it, I can't get Kenneth out of my head.
Actually, he's behind you, Trey. He rode over here with us. You talked to him the whole ride.
Well, he's right. People do need to laugh, and I'm the medicine.
What are you doing?
Something I should have done a long time ago.
A long time ago, you just got here.
Shut up, Dashcam. Ladies and children, I give you the chunks too. A very chunky Christmas. Right? Can Christmas lights blow? Yeah!
Well, this has turned out to be the opposite of what I wanted, and I'm gonna leave before anything else happens, so...
Oh my God.
My arm is numb.
What are you doing now, Mother?
I think the stress.
Don't go to her.
Do you have shortness of breath? Are you sweating? Do you have neck or jaw pain? I had a couple rich men die on top of me.
It's like something, like my son, sitting on my chest.
We should call an ambulance.
We are not calling anyone.
What's the matter with you? Your mother's not well.
Can't you see that she's faking, Milton? There. Did anybody see that?
We have to call an ambulance. Listen to me, damn it, I'm a doctor.
Of history. In what emergency would you be necessary? If someone wanted to know whether the 60s were awesome or not?
They were.
You hang in there. You need to meet our daughter, little Colleen.
Seems like people are back on my side, Jackie.
Paul, my ex-lover.
Listen, I'm not here because I want to get back together.
Good. Me neither. Can I get you a cup of coffee or an absinthe enema?
No, thank you. I can't stay. I just wanted to let you know that I had an amazing idea for a couple's costume.
Well, so did I. What's yours?
Maybe we should just say them at the same time and see what happens. I dress as Natalie Portman from the movie Black Swan.
And
You
I
dress as former Pittsburgh Steelers wide receiver and Pennsylvania gubernatorial nominee Lynn Swan. We're two Black Swans!
Well, it is a Druid solstice miracle.